What goes on must come off, and I am ready to take this off. All right. Ah! Ah! Swear I whipped off all the chin hair I had left. Ah! Ooh. Ooh. Ah! Ooh. Ah! Wow. This is feeling better already. Okay, that feels so much better. I'm just gonna mix all of it, just a little bit. I'm gonna keep mixing. Just keep mixing. And just gonna. Well, that's gonna leave a stain, but the look was pretty cool. So yeah.
Come wipe this off with me. So, let's start with the lashes. Evidence Marker 7 Rainbow Lashes by Makeup a Murder are back in stock. I always apply my lashes with Makeup a Murder Super Glue Fuming Lash Glue. These are gelatin tears. They're so squishy, I want to eat them. Gummy bears. Now, my favorite makeup remover is by the pharmacy. Introducing the new emergency makeup removing blanket. Put a little bit on there, just like that. Now watch it do its magic. Whoa. Whoa. Ready for the contact? I'm so ready to take these out. It took like a half an hour to get in. Look how huge they are compared to normal ones. Skin.
Now that I've worked on this for a couple of hours, we're going to take all of this off. I broke a glass for this. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Bro, this is not coming off. Oh, my eyes are watering. Okay, I just gotta rip it off like a band-aid. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now for this baby. Oh. Now for the eyes. Got it. Ooh. And this one. Got it. Ooh. Also, side note, my tongue has never been this red in my entire life. All from fake blood. Oh, my face burns.
What's up, y'all? It's time for a makeup removal, so let's go. I'm gonna start with this side because it's the most irritating. I'm ready for the I'll be taking away all the extra facial hair I got off my face. I forgot I had it down here. I had, snap. It's a little more aggressive down here. It act like it didn't even want to come off. So next side, time for the snow side. So go take the contact out. Take some makeup wipes and I got in the shower to wipe off the rest, so that look was really fun to do. So comment some more looks y'all want to see by the rest of December.
You just want attention, you don't want my heart. Baby, you've been creeping around on me while you're calling me baby. How long has this been going on? You've been acting so.
Hai guys, ya kita hapus makeup. Ntar aku buka soplen dulu soalnya nggak bisa ngeliat apa-apa. Gak satunya lagi. Guys, aku kan baca komen kalian di TikTok aku. Terus setiap aku bikin video tuh ada yang komen, kakak mirip ini loh, kakak mirip ini loh, kakak mirip tanteku loh, kakak mirip guru SD ku loh, kakak mirip tetanggaku loh. Kayaknya aku mirip semua orang ya gak sih? Apa mukaku terlalu pasaran ya jadi dimiripin semua orang? Serius aku pengen nanya, aku tuh mirip siapa sih sebetulnya? Ntar ya, lihat abis aku hapus makeup, lihat mukaku tanpa makeup. Kalian tulis di komen sebenarnya aku mirip siapa menurut kalian. Sekarang aku mau cuci muka dulu. Ini udah no makeup. Coba dilihat mirip siapa. Atau jangan-jangan mirip ibu dari calon anak-anak kamu. Jangan lupa follow Instagram sama Bigo aku ya di atas sini.
Oh, I'm bald. Shocking. Freedom. Well, that looks so weird now. Does this remind you guys
of the Mr. Mime Pokemon, kind of, if I had big poofs on my head? Or am I just completely off base with that? Taking off the poof, finally.
That's nice. Yeah.
I feel like I'm shedding my skin. This feels so good. This is the life of an SFX artist.
Come on, Bessie. So close. Ooh. Oh, man.
There's a little baby hairs down here. The moment of truth. Yes.
My thoughts when taking off my makeup. Just pull. Gross. Plop. Plop. This net was really annoying. Yay, this doesn't hurt. Satisfying. Never mind, this hurts. Why didn't I just buy an adhesive remover instead of peeling off my skin? OMG, I've ripped off my brows. False alarm, I forgot I covered them raw. Okay, bye.
Have dedicated their lives to fighting crime and the forces of evil.
This is me, taking off a look that took 3 hours. I've only had it on for 5 minutes. But I'm really not looking to break out. I'm really hoping I at least got my 15 minutes of fame from this because my face is probably going to be stained for weeks. Thank you for coming to my TED.
Time to take this look off. I look sexy, I know. Contain yourself, okay? I already know it's gonna stain my face. You can see some purple here, so let's just go with it. First, I'm gonna take the candle wax off. Yes, it's candle wax. Child. Anyway, so... Ugh. Whoop. Oh, this is a big one. Ugh. I want to like scratch it off or something. I'm gonna do it with this lash case, don't judge me. It's faster, okay? That was so satisfying to do. Ow. The moment of truth. Okay. Oh, Houston, we have several problems. Update, it's not really coming off, so yeah.
So wait, 난 속으로 다 알고 있잖아. 결국에는 선을 넘게 될 거라는 걸. I'm warning to myself.